Hi everyone. I know it's been a while since I uploaded my last video, and in the last video I said I will be uploading like lots of videos, but of course that didn't end up happening because I just got really busy with other stuff. I did record some footage for the new videos, but I just didn't like them at all. To be very honest, I was starting to feel a little disappointed with the type of content that I was putting out on YouTube. Meanwhile, I have been streaming on Twitch. I started streaming on Twitch on 30th October, and since then I have been trying to stream consistently, and I actually became a Twitch affiliate just few days ago, so that's really exciting. I have been able to stream consistently over the past 1 month, and I have been just absolutely loving streaming. I stream cozy art and games. For art, I stream traditional art as well as digital art, and I generally play cozy games like Minecraft or Stardew Valley, and it has been really amazing. And now that I am an affiliate, I will be actually starting to stream designing my own emotes, which is one of the main thing that I was excited about to become an affiliate. I really want to design my own emotes. I'm recording this voiceover on Thursday, and today's stream is going to be emote stream, so I'm really excited about it. And if you guys are interested in watching cozy streams, I will link my Twitch channel in the description below, and if you guys decide to join the stream, do let me know that you came from YouTube, and yeah, that would be real fun. So moving on to YouTube, as I said, I was not really happy with the type of content that I was putting. Also, I was not really happy with the artwork that I was doing. I really want to create these fantasy magical landscapes, and yeah, when I took a break, I mostly have been painting again very simple landscapes, which is also fun. Like I enjoy painting those simple landscapes, but I really want to improve my artistic skills. I eventually want to make these fantasy concept illustrations and paintings. I really want to create my own worlds, and yeah, I really want to work towards that. So painting those very simple landscape kind of started to get monotonous for me, and I felt like I wasn't growing artistically at all. Since I took the break, I have been working towards those landscapes, and I have been really enjoying that. I've been doing lots of limited color palette landscapes as well, which is one of my favorite things to do, to make fantasy landscapes. Like using limited color palette really allows you to make up a world which doesn't exist, and yeah, it's really fun on YouTube as well. The artwork that I will be doing will be based around fantasy or cottagecore type landscape, like really themed landscapes basically. I want to make more paintings of the subjects that I really like. I really love painting mushrooms, skulls, like very cottagecore, witchy like fantasy stuff, which I have been doing on Twitch actually. I have been making these themed paintings and illustrations, and a lot of people who showed up on my streams really loved the themes that I was working on, so I'm happy about that. But yeah, I never really tried to paint those subjects on YouTube for some reason. I'm going to give these paintings a chance on YouTube as well as I did with Twitch, and hopefully you guys like it too. On another note, I have been working on a new collection for a shop update which I plan to do on 15th March. So hopefully I will be able to get everything done by that time. There's not a lot of things in this shop update. There will be paintings, magnets. I will also be making some clay pins. And this time I'm also making some digital products which I haven't done yet. I will be vlogging most of the process. I also started to write blogs on my website. This is not my first time writing blogs. I actually used to write blogs when I was in school. I wrote artsy art tips kind of blogs back then. My website has been sitting blogless for like more than an year, and I decided I finally start writing those blogs again. And yeah, I already have written 2 blogs. The recent one is more on the education side. I wrote about non-toxic oil painting, which I have seen a lot of beginner artists being very worried about oil paints. Oil painting can be really dangerous if not done correctly, and if you just take a few precautions and do it carefully, oil paints are a really wonderful medium if you are a traditional artist. I really like oil painting, and I've been doing mostly non-toxic oil painting for a long while now. So if you are looking for art education blogs, you can visit my website. I will link everything down in the description box below. I hope I will be able to provide some valuable information through my blogs. And I also started posting on Patreon. I don't think I have mentioned here before, but I do have a Patreon. I actually started it like 2 years ago, but I got really busy with other stuff. This was one of my New Year's resolution that I will start posting on Patreon, and I started doing that from the 1st of February. I have posted couple of February rewards, and I still have to make some of them, like coloring pages and some videos as well. I have planned a lot of things for Patreon. Again, if you are interested in getting monthly videos, live streams, coloring pages, art printables, you can check out my Patreon, which will be linked in the description box below. Now, one update on the personal side. My husky turned 1 few days ago, and of course it has been like a roller coaster ride. Since he is getting older now, he has started to calm down. He still have his absolute crazy days, but he is starting to understand things, and he's getting better at just staying calm. But of course, he is a husky, you can't expect them to be calm always. There's going to be chaos. So anyways, that was my update, and I'm really looking forward to creating all these new videos that I've planned, and all the blogs and everything. I will also start streaming on YouTube pretty soon. Again, I'm super hyped about all the new content that I have planned, and I hope you guys will like it too. Do let me know in the comments below if there's a video in particular that you would like to see from me. I'm always looking for new ideas and new ways to connect to my audience. I hope you guys have a lovely rest of your weekend, and I will see you next time. Bye.